Hi guys. So one of my wonderful I don't know if she's a subscriber or not, but if you're not, that's okay. One of my wonderful viewers said that the end of my Cover FX versus the Iconic of London highlighter, when I did my showing in daylight, you couldn't see it really, and I went to go check, and yeah, I didn't slow it down. I'm so sorry. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I wanted to show you guys quickly that, so this is Cover FX. I have no makeup on except my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. I took my other makeup off, and this is the Cover FX side, and this is the, how about we pull my hair back, and this is the Iconic London side. I don't have any foundation on as yet either, so you can kind of see it is not glittery in the daylight, and this is daylight, guys. I'm going to put some foundation on so you guys can see with foundation. This is harder than it looks. I'm trying to hold the camera up, and I have my foundation. I have one pump, and I'm just putting a little on both sides. Yes, I took off my makeup that I had on for the day, except my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, so that I could do this, because I'm sorry you guys, that's one of the biggest parts for you to be able to see that it is not, oh, I might as well go over my mouth, it's okay, that it's not glittery in daylight, because it can be beautiful, but if you're not looking to glitter when that sun hits you, then that's important for you to know. Okay, so as you guys can see in the daylight, it's just a beautiful glow. Yeah, or you can agree to disagree. But I've been wearing the Iconic. For those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, I've been using this side, and people have been liking my glow. So yeah, Cover FX still has a beautiful glow, but it's not glittery, and neither is the Iconic glittery. So I hope that helps, and I'm so sorry that it went by too fast for you guys. Might as well fix my hair since I'm here. I will see you guys in my next video on Wednesday. All right, bye, and thank you for watching.